everybody.
Hey guys.
So this is part 2 for our breathing exercise videos. We started with the 3-second breath. Hopefully you've been practicing that and now you're up and ready for the 5-second breath.
Yeah.
So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out the 3-second video. This is probably not where you want to start, even if you are a healthy person and you are active. You'd be surprised, these exercises are challenging.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead, and for all of you who have already done the 3-second video, I am not going to explain, we're going to get right in. All right, so let's go ahead and close our eyes, exhale all of your breath, and breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, hold out 2, 3, 4, 5. And let your breathing return back to normal. Now, if you weren't ready for the 5-second breath, you may be doing one of 2 things. You may be doing both. You may be breathing in too fast and then it makes it hard to hold your breath, or you may be breathing out too fast and then it makes it hard for you to hold your breath at the end. What we're really learning how to do is have control over the muscles in our lungs so that we exhale slowly and we breathe in slowly. And this is going to help with so many different things. Hopefully you've already done the 3-second video, so you've heard our spiel about all of the benefits, and I can't wait to see you guys over at the 8-second breath video.
And as always, just make sure you guys turn on our push notifications so that way you guys get all of our new videos that we post. And as always, also make sure that you share with a friend, because these lung videos really can help out a lot. Those of you with all different types of ailments with the lungs, this is very beneficial, so pass it along.
It really is. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. We're really glad you're here.
Bye, guys.